Hello everybody! Oh my god, it's so hot. This is my outfit today. Very hot outside. So this is my outfit that I'm gonna wear for driving. So I'm gonna make 2 driving videos today with different shoes. So for now, that's all for today. Just kidding. Okay, fasten your seatbelt and I'm going to drive. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna make pictures first before I go. Okay, let's go driving. So this is mountain driving videos. Today is I went to City Hall and then to LTO, Land Transportation Office, for the car registration. I'm getting ready for registration. So that's just my day. And then to Gaisano Mall, I have to clean up my sunglasses because for the sun, it's too hot today. It's too hot today.